I was eating junk food every single day, skipping breakfast, eating late at night, and drinking too much soda. Then I told all of this to a free AI tool, and in just 60 seconds, it completely changed my diet. Let me show you exactly what happened. Most diet advice online is useless. It tells everyone the same thing: eat vegetables, drink water, stop sugar. You already know that, but knowing it doesn't help you change. That's a real problem. Today, I want to show you something different. Instead of generic advice, AI looks at your exact habits and builds a plan just for you. Not a strict diet, not extreme rules, just small changes that actually work in real life. I use a free tool called Claude.ai, completely free, no payment needed. And I type this exact message. These are my real eating habits. I eat junk food almost every day. I skip breakfast most mornings. I eat my biggest meal late at night after 9 p.m. I drink about 3 sodas per day. I eat very few vegetables. I know these are bad habits, but I cannot seem to change them. Do not give me generic advice. Look at my specific habits and give me a realistic step-by-step plan to improve my diet without making me feel like I am on a strict diet. Then I pressed enter, and what came back surprised me. It didn't tell me to stop everything. It didn't tell me to eat perfectly. Instead, it gave me a simple step-by-step plan. Week 1. Replace just 1 soda per day with water. That's it. Nothing else changes. Week 2. Add 1 small breakfast. Something simple like a banana or 1 egg takes only a couple of minutes. Week 3. Move your biggest meal just 30 minutes earlier. Only 30 minutes. These changes are so small they feel easy. But after a few weeks, your entire lifestyle starts to shift. Without stress, without extreme dieting, without giving up the foods you love. And that's the real power of AI. It doesn't judge you, it doesn't force you, it just meets you where you are and helps you improve step by step. Try it yourself. Go to Claude.ai, be completely honest about your eating habits, and see what plan it gives you, and tell me in the comments what it said for you. I read every comment. If this helped you, subscribe to AI Fit Life for more simple AI tools that actually improve your life. See you in the next video.